Hi everybody, my name is Jyoti Verma, working as Senior Software Engineer in Unica organization. Today we are going to understand the functionality of suspending event. So, what is suspending event? It's an event that suspends or pauses the current set of activities for the specified duration. Also, this is the new feature that is introduced in Interact from 12.103 onwards. Let's understand its working. Consider a scenario where a customer opens an account with the bank and bank offers credit card to this customer. Bank would like to serve the offer related to credit card only after customer receiving this card. However, it can be possible that customer sends the reject request for credit card. In this case, bank would not like to bother the customer for few days or so. So, to understand this scenario, I will define 4 events, out of which 3 will be the qualifying events and 1 will be the suspending event called as card rejected. In the suspending event, we can define the duration, like for what time this event will be in effect. Let's start. Here is my Unica login page. Entering the credentials. Let's go to the interactive channels. This is the IC. In this interactive channel, I have defined the events. These are the events. And also, this is the event pattern consisting of these 4 events. Let's open the event pattern. The name of this event pattern is credit card journey. In the pattern tab, I have defined these 3 events as the qualifying events. First is account open, second card offered, and third is card received. These 3 events will make the event pattern as true. In the suspending event, I have defined the event as card rejected and the duration for this suspending event is 15 minutes. This means whenever this suspending event will be triggered, all the set of activities will be paused for 15 minutes. That is, even though I pass the qualifying event pattern condition will not become true and thus offers will not be served to the customer. I have defined the offer in interactive strategy and offer name is int underscore of 1. Now let's check the condition in the flowchart. This is the flowchart and the condition is defined in the decision process box. Here is the condition event pattern dot credit card journey equals to 1. Here credit card journey is the name of the event pattern to true. So this means whenever the event pattern condition becomes true, then only further segmentation will be done and the offers will be served to the customer. Now let's open the Interact test client page to post the events. So here is the API test client. For ease, I have opened the Interact admin page in another browser. In this browser, we will check the state of the event patterns. Let's take the customer ID as 5 for our test. Currently, no data is displayed. Let's post the event for this customer. Customer ID I am taking as 5. Audience level is customer. Let's first check the get offers, whether offer is served to this customer or not. So for customer ID 5, we did not receive any offer. Why? Because the event pattern condition has not become true. In decision process box, we have defined the condition that event pattern will become true, then only the further segmentation will be done. So in this condition, event pattern is still false. It has not changed to true. Now, to make it true, we have to post the qualifying events. Let's post the first event. First qualifying event is account open. Okay, let's check the status of event pattern for customer ID 5. Here we can see condition not met. That means this credit card journey event pattern condition has not met. In the posted events, we can see only one post event with the ID 85. Let's pass the second qualifying event, that is card offered. Okay, let's check the status of event pattern. Again, condition not met, and posted events have been updated to 2 events, 85 and 86. Now, posting the third qualifying event, we will pass the suspending event called as card rejected. This is the suspending event. Okay, let's check the status of event pattern now. Still condition not met, and the posted events details have been updated to 3, 85, 86 and 88. So this 88 is the suspending event. These two, 85 and 86, are the qualifying events, and this 88 is the suspending event. Now let's pass the third qualifying event, that was card received. So ideally, after receiving this third qualifying event, the event pattern should turn to true. But here it will not turn to true because we have already passed the suspending event. Let's check the status now. Here we can see condition not met, and the posted events are updated. 85, 86 and 87 are the qualifying events, and 88 is the suspending event. So in ideal scenario where there is no suspending event, after receiving all these 3 qualifying events, the status will change to condition met. But since we have already passed the suspending event, this condition is still not met. So we have to wait for 15 minutes. Let's check the get offer. This customer will not receive any offer because suspending event entry is there in the cache and in the database. As you can see, no offers is served, no recommended offers, and the time is 3:28 p.m. So we have to wait for 15 minutes as the duration of the suspending event is 15 minutes that we have defined in the configuration. In real scenario, this duration will be in days or in months. 15 minutes have passed. Now let's check if the offer gets served to this customer. Yes, it's served and time is exactly 3:43, that is 15 minutes after. Let's check the status of event pattern. We can see the status is changed to condition met. Also, you will see that in the posted events, one entry is removed. It's now only the entry of qualifying events, that is 85, 86 and 87. The suspending event that was 88 has been removed, and that is why offer is served to this customer. That's all for the suspending event. Thank you.